Iris. How are you today? Fine? Great. Are you ready for today's lesson? Come along then. Let's begin by looking at these two sentences. The first sentence. Ali has a high fever. As a result, he did not attend school. The second sentence. It rained heavily all day. Consequently, they had to postpone the football match. The words as a result and consequently are called logical connectors. Well, today our lesson will be on logical connectors. What are logical connectors? Logical connectors are words that help to show how ideas are connected. The word as a result is similar to the word consequently. They are used to show effect or results. In other words, they tell us what happened because of the first action. Let's take a look at the two sentences again. In the first sentence, Ali has a high fever. As a result, he did not attend school. The sentence, Ali has a high fever, shows us the cause, and he did not attend school shows us the effect. So, the word as a result helps to join the two ideas clearly. In sentence 2, it rained heavily all day yesterday. Consequently, they had to postpone the football match. Here, it rained heavily all day yesterday tells us the cause, and they had to postpone the football match tells us the effect. So, the word consequently joins the two ideas very neatly. Let's take a look at some other examples using the words as a result and consequently. Example 1. Jane did not spend much time revising her mathematics. As a result, she obtained a poor grade in the trial exam. Can you identify which sentence shows cause and which shows the effect? You are correct. The sentence that shows cause is Jane did not spend much time revising her mathematics. And the sentence that shows effect is she obtained a poor grade in the trial exam. Now, let's take a look at another example. Jinmin was late for school the entire week. Consequently, he had to stay back for detention class for a week. In this sentence, Jinmin was late for school the entire week shows the cause, whereas he had to stay back for detention class for a week shows the effect. So, the word consequently joins these two ideas neatly. We have seen some examples of how logical connectors as a result and consequently are used. Now, let's try out these exercises below. Read the sentences shown. Using the phrase in the brackets, write out another sentence using the logical connectors as a result or consequently. Let's take a look at the first question. She arrived an hour late for the test. In brackets, was not allowed to take it. Use the word consequently to join these sentences. Yes, that's right. The sentence is, she arrived late for the test. Consequently, she was not allowed to take it. Now, let's try the next question. Many people are not environment conscious. In brackets, do open burning. Use the word as a result to join these sentences. Excellent! You are a fast learner. Many people are not environment conscious. As a result, they do open burning. Now, let's take a look at the last question. Susan fractured her right wrist. In brackets, could not play in the tennis game this Saturday. You are to use the word consequently. Great! Your answer is right. Susan fractured her right wrist. Consequently, she could not play in the tennis game this Saturday. Well, that ends our lesson today. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll meet again in the next lesson. Bye!